Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's talk about some areas of support, and then we can talk about areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $11.50. Now, with that being said, if the price falls below $11.50, I'm not saying the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to somehow stay up above $11.50, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that, nothing fancy behind it other than the fact that, this crazy 30 minutes, opening 30 minutes where the price pulled back, the lowest it could get is right down there around 1090. So preferably the 1150 mark, next level of support after that, 1090. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play. So this certainly assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that is a 50-period moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher as time goes by, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best, visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yes, staying above 1150 would be great, but from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, nothing fancy here other than the fact that the party stopped today right up around $12. So 12 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at the chart. Very nice movement today, very nice volume, and now it's just all about going through healthy consolidations. How am I defining healthy? We'll just build higher lows. As long as higher lows are being put into place, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on higher bases and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.